Welcome to this 60-minute step-by-step program that will take you through the various stages involved in creating your own miniature model railway layout. For the purpose of this film, we're going to be using the double O gauge system, which is much favoured in the UK. A similar scale would be HO gauge. Now, regardless of scale, be it N gauge, that's small scale, or right up to O gauge, large scale, many of the topics we will be covering pretty much apply. Now, before we get started, let's take a quick overview of what we're going to cover throughout the program. Now, one final thing. It's a hobby. Whatever your reason for getting into this miniature world of model railways, make sure you enjoy your time spent planning and building. Index overview. The following topics do at times cross over at certain points, so it's best to watch the whole program to make sure you understand the overall process, thereby avoiding mistakes that may, in some cases, prove costly, if not a headache. General research. The internet is a great place to get inspiration, but also a minefield of data, which is fine for those who know what to look for. Location and budget. Take the time to think clearly about what you would like to achieve and what you can practically afford, and remember, you don't need to purchase everything all at once. Room preparation. Once you've decided where to build, it's important to make sure that it's a good environment to work in. Choosing a theme. The age of steam or modern high-speed rail. In this section, we take a look at the steam era that we have chosen for this layout. Layout design. It's your hobby and you can do whatever makes you happy. However, layout design is part of the enjoyment of planning your miniature world, and planning will definitely save time, money, and many headaches. Running operation and wiring. Having created your layout plans, we look at the need to make sure that the trains will operate correctly and that power supply will be where it's needed. Choosing track, trains and rolling stock. With so many products on the market, choosing a period theme will narrow down the choices. But what should we be looking for in particular? Baseboard materials and construction. The very foundation of your model world, and it's important to get it right first time. Planning ahead will pay dividends.